Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by turning on Picture-in-Picture so the phone can float a video window. Go to Settings, tap General, then Picture-in-Picture and enable Start Pi-P automatically. Once done, open a compatible app and play the video or join the FaceTime call. Make sure the media is actively playing, then use the Pi-P icon on the player or swipe home to trigger the floating window. This gets you out of the app while keeping video visible and interactive. Once the floating window appears, learn how to control it. Tap the small Pi-P to reveal playback and expand buttons. Use those to pause, skip, or return to full screen. Next, drag the window to any corner. iPhone remembers the last position, and pinch to adjust its size between small, medium, and large. If you need it out of the way, swipe halfway off the edge to hide it while audio keeps playing. These gestures keep your workflow smooth while watching or listening. To finish, tap the Expand button to return to the original app, or hit the close X to stop Picture-in-Picture entirely. Make sure to reopen the app if you want to continue later. Settings remain the same. If Pi-P isn't working, check that your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and that the specific app supports Pi-P. If needed, update iOS, force quit and relaunch the app, or restart the device. This resolves most issues and gets floating windows working again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.